Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark from inside the video. So Capcut adds a watermark inside the video when you are using the free versions, and through this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove it easily. So here, I've already opened the my projects on Capcut. And here at the end, you'll see by default there is this CapCut ending that you can see. So what you need to do on the first method, you can just delete the watermark clip before exporting. And this is the easiest way. So after you open the project, you can scroll to the last part of the timeline where the CapCut watermark appears. And then tap on the watermark clip and click on delete to remove it. Now you can just click on export to export the video without the watermark. The second options, you can just use CapCut Pro to remove the watermark, and this is the paid options. So you can just upgrade to CapCut Pro. So you can just subscribe, and after that you can export the videos without the watermarks automatically. Or the third method, you can just crop the watermark if it's inside the video. So when you let's say use a template in CapCut, there will be watermark attached on the video. For example, here. Okay, let's say I'm going to use this template so here on CapCut. And as you guys can see at the very top, there will be CapCut watermark attached. So you can just here export the video first, and then you can open a video editor. You can use CapCut, VN, KineMaster, or InShot, and use the crop tool to cut out the watermark area. And after that, you can just save the video without the watermark. Or if you want to export this, you are using CapCut template and you want to export without watermark, can use this trick. You can click on export and choose this option, export without watermark. But when you click on that, and once the exporting process is finished, you'll be directed to the TikTok applications, because it will the two apps is interlinked. But as you guys can see, there is no watermark attached. So if you don't want to upload the video to TikTok, you can just go back to CapCut again, but still the video is saved on your gallery. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.